The Quantum Hologram and Divine Government on Earth. A message from Sada through Elizabeth Trutwi, February 13, 2013. The Quantum Hologram. How do your thoughts, emotions and intentions affect all that is? In the zero-point field of energy, all matter, energy and information in the cosmos is connected and affecting everything within the cosmos. There is nothing outside of the cosmos, so this is what we refer to as all that is. God can be defined as all that is. Matter, energy and information are affected by certain properties such as spin and have a constant influence on all particles and subatomic particles without relationship to space and time, near or far. What is happening 2 light years away from where you stand, on Alpha Centauri, for example, influences your human matter, body, energy, love, and information, wisdom. The spin of the sun's soul affects your energy. When you sit inside, you cannot receive the same transfer of energy from the sun as when you go outside to directly absorb the love and wisdom being transferred into your body from the sun's rays of coded information. The decisions you make, what you allow yourself to be exposed to, affects you and it affects the whole. If you feel your experience is a bad experience, make different choices. Use the information you have to make wise choices and create a new cosmos, an evolved cosmos by doing so. The omnipresent and omnidirectional force of love and wisdom are unified and joined together holistically within the zero-point field at the quantum level of our multi-dimensional cosmos in a persistent and congruent manner. We call this consciousness. There are many states of consciousness. The Shakti path is the bestowal of energy transferred to your body, your vessel of love, your heart, and the mainframe of the computer which receives and transmits energy from these two, your collected wisdom held in the vessel of your higher mind. It is through the transmission of the Shakti energy the Master can transmit as if a download of higher information of grace and knowledge, provided you are qualified. If you have not done the inner work, you will not even recognize the Master when he comes. Liken it to computers of 20 years ago. They are no longer compatible with computers today. Transferring energy or upgrading is impossible with certain models because the technology which has been stored within their hard drive is incompatible with what information or software which is available today. Have you never read a book? Have you never exposed yourself to higher teachings? Have you never meditated successfully? How do you expect to be prepared when the Master Teacher comes to help you upgrade your body, mind and heart? You will not be able to hold that level of light. Your vessels will be considered obsolete when you have not done the inner work. If we took your hard drive apart, we would find the components just are not there. Nothing can be done. You may pretend your whole life you are this or that, but it does not make it so. This deception by ego mind takes you to death every lifetime. How many more years will your obsolete, old system work before it dies of power failure? How many? You need to have courage to be rigorously honest with yourself. Ongoing lies can be very stressful. It holds back consciousness. Growing and learning are a spiritual act, and all of these energetic influences need to be integrated within yourself in order to be prepared for what comes next. You cannot go on without this integration. You will not be handed the changes without the work. Not you or you or you. The collective consciousness must come forward together. This is cosmic law. Are you stuck and feel you desire to have other results? Change what you are doing. Put away the things which hold you back. You want a world of abundance, yet you wallow in lack. Lack of information. Lack of self-governance. Lack of self-disclosure. You do not even allow yourself to have the truth disclosed to you. You run around reading, following various messengers like a cow with a nose ring. You flatly refuse through the counsel of lower mind to expose your body, heart and higher mind to higher consciousness. 0-point force field. You are being invited today to enter the 0-point force field in the 5th dimension where you already reside, and for those willing to explore the idea, the 6th and 7th dimension and above. Doing this brings the collective consciousness higher. It exacts the changes you are looking for through a transfer of Shakti energy, which brings instant receipt of the absolute energy of love and wisdom encoded onto that energy as wave forms and particles. Both at the same time, which can be held within the cells of your body as you hold light. It is like the surface of a leaf soaking in the wave forms and particles of light which keep it alive. What are you waiting for? Will you sit there denying the higher dimensions of this cosmos, and in time, less than you understand now, your obsolete shell which did not receive the new downloads will simply not be able to interface at this current place in space and time? In this dimension, what happens then? The particles of your heart vessel, mind vessel and body vessel dissolve. They move away from each other. The particles which make up your system go back to the earth because they are only borrowed energy. The indivisible light body projects its higher mind somewhere else, but you will no longer be able to maintain the other vessels here. How long do you have to keep denying this universal truth? It is a great pity if you miss this opportunity. It will not be offered again for an eon of time. When the transfer of Shakti energy is received, which will happen to all those on earth when the ships land, then it will be much, much easier to reach all of your other goals. It brings an abundance of knowledge and an abundance of love. It will be the moment when you can perceive money means nothing. The reparations you are so keen on will suddenly become very unimportant. The hedge funds, programs and trusts will be absolutely meaningless. Everything you have needed will be freely given. You can train your mind to be happy with what you have today and leave the future open for receiving more. By doing this you conquer money. Become detached from money and more will come. It is as inevitable as the sunrise and sunset. The energy withdraws and it returns again because you are persistently and congruently connected to it without relationship to space and time. What is holding you back from divine government? What is taking so long? You continue to crawl and forget you know how to run. You look low when you can jump off your reality and fly. Stop. 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 You have complete free will. The choices you make today decide your destiny tomorrow. You control your destiny. You create your tomorrow. Will you do yoga postures? Will you eat right? The reflection of your body will become the result of the collection of choices made in the recent past. You have the power every day before sleep to review your day. Think about the areas where you went wrong and do not repeat this again. You determine when and how you fly off into the 0-point energy with all the solutions for humanity on earth which you so ardently desire. Make right choices today and your destiny unfolds tomorrow in an equal force to the energy you have put forward. You need to make a choice in this now. Will you read channels telling you it is happening very soon? it is happening in a few years and wring your hands thinking maybe it is all a made-up fantasy.